Sexual perversion, episode 10. Follow your conscience. Woman, follow your conscience. Woman, please, listen to me. Follow your conscience. Man, please, follow your conscience. I said it the other time in the previous episode that there is no one that involved in sexual perversion that will not know that is doing what is wrong. Anyone involving in that act, something within, inside, will keep telling him or her that what he's doing or what she is doing is wrong. How? Because of the instrumentality of conscience. So when your conscience is speaking, you hold responsibility to follow your conscience. Let me give you some Bible reference so that you go home or you sit down to study them because of the limited time we have. In the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 8 verse 7 to 12, 1 Corinthians chapter 8 verse 7 to 12, Hebrews 13:8, Hebrews chapter 13 verse 18, Hebrews chapter 13 verse 18, Romans chapter 9 verse 1, Romans chapter 9 verse 1, and Romans chapter 2 verse 15. All these scriptures establish that conscience do speak. Conscience do speak. Your conscience speaks. Then, what is conscience then? Conscience is one of the three compartments in human spirit that speak louder than outside voice. Let me repeat again. Conscience is one of the compartments in the spirit of man that speak louder than outer voice. The voice of your conscience speak louder than what I am saying now or what you are saying over there. So God has fashioned conscience in the life of everybody so as to check balance what the man or the woman is doing in day-to-day activities. Conscience is also called the voice of the spirit. It's also called the voice of the spirit. Conscience is not your friend, neither your enemy. When you are doing it wrong, conscience will rebuke you. When you are doing it right, conscience will appraise you. So it's neither your friend nor your enemy. So that is why when conscience is alive, any man will always get it right. When you do it right, conscience will speak by giving you a sign. When you are doing it wrong, conscience will also speak by a sign. Okay, what is the sign of doing it wrong? Condemnation. When you are doing it wrong, doing what is not good or what is not right, your conscience will keep condemning you until you do it right. But if you refuse to do it right, your conscience will keep silence. Conscience never die, though the Bible says some conscience are dead. The dead mean, which the Bible means there is, it will be silent and not speaking. But anytime you are ready to get it right, conscience will start speaking again. And when I say conscience can speak by giving you a sign when you do it right, what does that mean? That means peace. Whenever you are doing what is right, conscience will speak by giving you peace from the inside. So when you are doing something that is right, your conscience will be at peace. Your life will be at peace. Your life will be calm. So when you are doing something that you have peace in your heart, that indicates to you that your conscience is supporting what you are doing. When you are doing what is wrong, when you begin to have an element of condemnation in your spirit, then that is an indication that what you are doing is very, very wrong. So, there is no one that is with sexual perversion, no one that is with sexual perversion attitude that will not know. There is nobody. When you are involved in sexual perversion attitude, within you will know. Though you may not have choice, but within you will know that what you are doing is wrong. Let me give you the description. It's just like a driver ignoring the indicator of fuel tank, or ignoring the indicator of oil switch. When your fuel tank is indicating to you that empty, if you don't cross to the next filling station to fuel your car, you will get yourself blamed. When the oil switch is flashing and indicating to you that danger, danger, danger. If you don't branch at the mechanic place, either the engine is due for service, or is running out oil, or something is happening in the engine will get locked and you blame yourself for it. So there is always an indicator. God has fashioned that indicator called conscience into the spirit of every man, so that he will check balance what you are doing, either right or wrong. So I will stop now by saying, follow your conscience. Don't ignore your conscience. The conscience in God is the life in danger. The conscience followed is the life in peace. So follow your conscience. Don't ignore your conscience. Woman and man. Olorotimi Peter is my name. We meet again in the next episode. I'm broadcasting from Reality Global Network. God bless you.